Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. And I think I'm going to have a pretty cool one for you to check out right now. I'm at a new location. It's at the Lutheran High School. It's having some kind of a benefit car show. We're going to walk around here and see if we can find some cool cars. If you guys can do me a favor before we go looking at these cars, if you can hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome. I need more subscribers. So why don't you guys come with me and we will find some cool cars. Folks, let's take a look at this one right here that we got. This is a really cool Corvette. I don't know what year it is, but it's a pretty one, man, I'm telling you. Without a doubt. Ooh, check out the trunk. California Dreamin'. Oh, it says a 1959 on the license plate. Very cool. Yeah, definitely. Let's see what we got here. It's a 1955 Cushman Eagle. Huh. Looks like a lawnmower engine on there. I guess that's how they did it back in the day. For sure. Wow. Oh boy, check this one out. It's a Malibu. Pretty nice. Yeah, liking it. Let's look at the inside.
Tuning like $200 and then to do the injector.
All right, cool. Well, let's walk over here and check out this line of cars. See if we can get rid of some of this music that's here. That's ridiculous. That's a cool looking Nova. That's my friend Rick's car. That's a pretty car. I just love those wheels too. Yeah, for sure. Very cool.
So it's one of.
Wow. Very cool. Very nice. Ooh, check this one out. It's a Bel Air. Look at those wheel skirts on that. Wow. Very cool. I'd like to get me one of those right there. One of those little window trays. Yeah. Very cool. I love this car. Very nice. Check this one here out. That's a beautiful car there for sure. Ooh, look at the dash on that. We'll go over to the other side and look at it. 454. Very neat. Let's see if we can get over there. I don't know if we can or not. This car here.
I was going to text Tony.
Oh, you think that?
He's got a phone up anyway, so.
You think she does?
Very nice. I like the dash on that thing. That's too cool. Very nice. Let's see what we got here. Got an old Chevelle. Very neat. It's a 1964 Chevy Malibu. Very nice. Yeah, and we got a whole bunch of Ford Mustangs over here. They're pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Check out this Mach 1 here. Man, that's a beauty. I think that's a Cleveland engine. I believe it's a Cleveland because of the way that the top radiator hose comes out of the top of the engine. It's a beautiful car. Black, black, and black. Very nice. See what it looks like from the back here. Holy smokes, this thing is beautiful. 1970. Ooh, check this one out. Very cool. Man, this thing is a neat color combination. Look at that. Wow. I really love how this blue and white goes together like this. Very neat. $348. They used to put extra windshield washer fluid in these old cars too. That's what that is. And that thing is nice. See what it looks like from the back here. Very cool. Well, here we go. We got the Monte Carlo.
How you doing there?
Good, how you doing?
All right, haven't seen you since Wednesday.
I know it. Nice seeing you again.
Nice seeing you too.
Yeah, I love your car, man. This is really cool.
Yep.
Last year,
all good things must come to an end.
Yeah.
Got to get rid of it.
yeah, last year I offered you a sticker window price for it. Remember that?
Yeah, well, I remember that.
Yeah. It didn't work, did it?
No.
Yeah, that's a beautiful car with the engine here. If you guys are looking for a beautiful car for sale, here's some information on it. You guys can give that man a call. I'm sure he can talk to you about it. And let me tell you, folks, this car sounds awesome.
I need to zoom in on that one.
There you go. Just to give you some information on it. Look at how he's got this thing decked out in here. This thing is beautiful. Man, that's nice. For sure. It's not a Monte Carlo, it says Monte Carlo.
That's what I said.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Monte Carlo, okay.
Monte Carlo.
Yeah. That's cool.
No, it's a Monte Carlo.
No,
Yes,
Monte Carlo.
Yes.
Yeah,
Money car.
it's a Monte Carlo.
Oh, Monte Carlo. Okay.
Yeah. I like how you did that Monte Carlo with the
yeah.
SS with
Yeah.
the dollar signs.
Yeah.
That is too cool.
And they got, for people that worked at Boeing, I got the Phantom emblem there for their Phantom fighters, you know?
This one right here?
Yeah. And I even got the tag that goes with the plane on my keychain.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Let's see, do I have my pocket? Yeah, here. Phantom Works.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
Remove before flight.
Yeah, I like that.
So this guy is 41 years old.
All right. Let's go check out these Chrysler products over here and a couple of GMs. A Duster 340. That's a nice car. Very cool. That's a beautiful car there. Very nice. A 344 barrel. Ooh, check this one out. A Cornet 440. Cornet 440. But you see here, guys, GM had to outdo them by a number or two. Very nice. Very cool. Let's look at the back of them here. Hi, guys. Very nice. Very cool. This is a nice car here too. I'm liking it.
If I get down, I can't get up. You'll help me.
Let's see what we got here. We're going to walk over and look at that dart here in a minute. Hi there. Is that your Camaro? You're doing a good job keeping him cleaning it.
Thank you.
Yeah. How did you do that? Just wonders, isn't it? It's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
He's doing a good job cleaning it for you too.
I'm trained well.
Yeah, I guess so. Look at the smile on that face. Very neat car. Here's my YouTube channel. You'll see it up on YouTube.
Okay, cool.
You'll see your smiling face with that man cleaning it for you.
We will look it up.
All right. Don't forget to subscribe.
We will.
Awesome. And this is really nice. Man, I like these wheels. That's nice. Very neat, for sure. Let's see what we got here. Alright, let's walk over here and check out this Firebird. I don't think that engine came from the factory like that. It's a nice car, for sure. All right. Oh, here's a cool car, Cougar XR7. It's 1975. Let's look at the inside here for sure. Man, that's nice. Look at how plush these seats look. Very cool. I like it. Ooh, check this one out, folks. Yeah. Very cool. I'm liking this. It's a 1951 Ford. Ooh, look at the back of this thing. Is that nice or what? Yeah. All right, let's look at this here Camaro. Very cool. Hi there.
How you doing?
Good, how about you? This is nice for sure. Very cool. Hey folks, let's take a look at some of these beautiful cars.
Thank you so much for being here.
That's a nice El Camino here. Wow.
All the wonderful things that they do. They take care of so many. So please.
Very, very
visit them
cool.
at their
Look at this
booth
Ford pickup.
over here in the corner of the building.
Very
Check out
nice.
what they're about. Visit our raffles.
Very cool.
Wonderful tater tots.
Very, very cool. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get this here Camaro. Shoot this Camaro before the music gets too carried away. Wow, that's cool. Check out this here Chevelle. Boy, look at that beauty car. Good, how you doing, Bob? Good. All right, folks, well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click the little round logo right here and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. I really appreciate it.